I just got my cats this cat tower, so let me show you how easy it is to put together and how much my cats love it. Let's do it. Now this is the Feandrea cat tower, and they have a lot of different towers. They have some very tall ones, but I like this one as it's a nice small size. Let's see how all the pieces come. A nice solid sisal. It is a rougher sisal, and it is not only stapled in at the ends, but is very clearly glued in throughout. It should hold up really well. You can also always re-sisal these. I have done that in the past. A playful little ball. You get all of the hardware and the tool needed to put it all together. And then all the pieces have this great fuzzy carpet wrapping around them. The underside is uncovered on all the pieces, but pretty clean overall. And the bed also already comes with a ball installed, so you get 2 balls to choose from. This one does not have a bell, and this one has a bell. And then it really is as easy as starting to twist these pieces in. And then this is cool. These columns actually go inside to hold this all up. And then it just has holes in the top and the bottom to screw those columns into place. The hardest part is lining these up so they actually go in. And now that that's ready to go, I really do just stick this right on top. And then there's a screw that goes into the bottom of this and into the bottom of this. Now I did have to poke a hole through the carpet to get this screw to go through, but that was no problem at all. And now it's ready. Now, obviously this is not its final home, and I have really big cats, so I will be curious what they think of the little hole, but I do think this is super cozy, especially for my older guy. I think it's a winner. He looks really happy. Definitely a winner. I can already tell that my cat is thrilled. If your cat is behaving like they might not have a favorite place to go or a little bored, give them their own little cat home. I can see immediately how happy he is to have one of these. We used to have a cat tower and we got rid of it when we moved, and I know he's been missing one. Yes, he has. This is a winner. I highly recommend it.